Maima wakwaba and found Ghana and Sam TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Tinibia my MC on my boy. Richard Minister, why you for? Get the cat is all the dinner for. Never pulling me on my bomb and I'll say you're pulling me.
It will happen at Asante Mapo. Make Timasa sit to feel won't person me do now, won't we do so? I mean, maybe do so, says Alana account. Yeah, let me tell you one thing. There was some cophobia, there was some notness beer. They be in the lane, they respect themselves and whatsoever. These people, they can see for moon and to aside. But Mona, my wife, say, you to transform more than be annoyed. There, you guys, you are not even a bit. What did I make? They say, we are coming back again, and to you people, we a simple message to you guys. Make party office in Yama machine and found because politics me family ship. But so far as I found Asante Hono, I am daring you people there. May come on to say.
Ebusiafo and Crawway Efree. Me fan say Ashanti region youth in ho. Titrupa Efree Mampong. Straight to NDC for. Any notness no more Mampong. Sisala for no. And a friend is saying Mampong youth no say. Just say brothers and sisters. I'm with northern region. Wababa jasasa or Mampong Mabet now. Untimi mbe ha dan embeka embehyehe mran ma efie nura nize mo ayi mo adwen se mo no mo be pray so dia ena mo beko mo nkuro mo do nyame sento kwa na mo keka bado adan ya to abawi omo appoint ministers ni appointment no to kwa bem dia hyehye bem this is e hyehye bem to kwa bem MC na wa appoint no so no Mampong youth no NDC youth na kwa kwose office omo ya asapon na ne say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointed not nani omo mpesa Asante ni video omo so na the Mampong NDC ba power and na ada NDC cause friend say constituency and na say ada NDC Mampong and the youth no so one twema because we do me had them hyehye mbra me fie nura ntia no mbetu no makobuku no makwakoye mo akese me no nti nse my console
Ja obi bia me gidi se nyame ado obi ahoye yeah me hu ade bi wo media no so na me pese be kan won kakra Asante Mampong yes MC or DC yeah ma me bi si o yes sale ni on premier fa Asante ni so ba cho me kan say we ntoni pa bitrim yi woman unto me ma ye tenant e wo me landlord bi fi e me kire me nya wo pese wo ye wo ti da me ka kire wo no sa mo nkofo na mo hia na mo ye da meeting ye pese ye tro e di bread the commander there peacefully e better for you people say mo be free kromo mo ti Asante me kan yi say mo ti Asante asase so mo say mo pass Asante so be so e simple ye tro abre no asomdwe kwan so say mo nkofo mo a mo ye video ni a capture mo no mo be free Mampong kromo I tell you this is the time mo de nyeme di agora ama mapamu hufo mato ne bema munkubusa sakore Mampong he de oyeye no munko be kwai na munkubusa it will happen at Asante Mampong make timasa se tuti mfie no wo pese me di wusu na mo me di wusu na me metia be di wusu se sala na aka wasem yeah let me tell you one thing there was some cophobia there was some notness beer they be in the lane they respect themselves and whatsoever these people they can see for moon and to aside but mona my imagine say you to transform more than will be annoyed there you guys you are not even a bit what did I make? They say we are coming back again, and to you people, we a simple message to you guys. Make party office in Yama machine and found because politics me family ship. But so far as I found Asante Hono, I am daring you people there. May come on to say you should prepare. The Asante youth, yeah, mama phone call this every week. We are doing it in the legal manner. I am telling you this. I know Sebus, Anna. You write to your corpus. See, a better possible not is zongo never on Kurani be yet. Said the yes of Mampong it will come on. Because look at what happened at Obuasi. Ubi free me J. And I'm so dear Bubaka. Ubi free Mali. And I'm so this Duntino. Yes, so many notness. Not knowing outsiders from different countries are gonna have a catch and say, or penny will be our Asante for us. That's young Pebia, young Pebia, Manaditia, company. Look at this nonsense. Who say we is silent, person to be so. Woman, we don't yanko katasoro. I'm telling you this. When you won't cross one, opa for somebody in Sunka. Is it happen was a Korean man? It will happen at a Santi Mapo. What your palm chain? You remember who say, one palm who for Tony Bema. As a Magania Magasia, you want Magaho. So what Chimia will be saying answer. As a Samerano. No more to one to say the way that we get sitting in the buffet. Eh, more not necessarily quiet enough, respectful enough. Just be. Let us deal with your colleagues in Omojimino. We've seen it. We've seen the video, the pictures, everything. You will make sure that you're dealing with you drastically. Now, in a peaceful manner. What about you? You will cook the salad. Not cook this idea. No. Tell me one northern region, upper east, upper west, savannah, northeast, northern region. Tell me one community. A Santinibi assemblyman and a Santinibi committee member. Crown. One trend company. Tell me Covota region. Connect. Tell me one Santinia would give you on. Oh, person will be. Hey. Jimmy on. If you think enough, you say you are just tenants. What did they make on? We are tenants. That is why we only lease our lands to people. Meaning, it's supposed to end a certain year. And Tomao for Afibor, you do what about to Jimmy. Some places that you've got to have your buildings, you be your crime, you be your baby, and you be Jimmy. You find easy, ma'am. You know what? But you know the diabolic and the foolish mind. We will go with you. So what you know about pep. See like that. Some pass and up with you. So trying. I was for me church. I will be beyond. You say I will be beyond. Yeah. Me who are DB will be the other son. Me person become one kakra. Asante Mampo. Yes, he
Minister, here Dr. Frank Amakone, Ashanti Regional Minister. Mate say mu ombubu di estajomo na be MCU Asante Mampo eseremni sesala ni bia wontimi ntra Asante Mampo nkonukrum. We are not going to tolerate this nonsense again. It's becoming too much. Most Ramos Asante for tribalistic, but mumbe tna ye okrum Asante say dem pese yenye mamo momo down. Dr. Frank Amakone, Honorable Minister, metitito mu bodi estajomo. That lady no NDC ni obedi MC no and obi entimi nye hwa Asante Mampo. What sort of rubbish is this? Wait, no, I want to know where I Asantini, wait, no, I want to meme. I could say, Sansemunui. Sabi Asantini, wait, no, Sabi Salagao, I could say, Sansemunui. Honorable Minister, please, whether they like it or not, Esther Jomono will be the MC. John Tiasi or Santima Pobi or yes, Sabi, Salani, or yes, Rimuni, or young when anyone Tiasi, the Uncle Krum. Asante land belongs to Asantes. And we are not going to tolerate this nonsense again. Because hey, too much. The entire you come in chop mama and see it in one of them was say Tiasia Santini MC. How dare you who bondo Kokrum Kokasacho Krum for no? Kokrum no Kasacho Krum for no. Nedino Croutin is also Casacasa Ketchi. What's a Santimampon? Eh, Ketchi, some Pesa Santini MC. Some of us know. We were trained yet to say and can someone can catch them. But I want to ask Mampon, no moon is a moo, Muprum Probano, or MC, you know. Whether you guys like it or not, Esther Jomona, I made it silly, or no one a MC was Santa Mampon. It is some moon and some time. Huh? And I'm going to be able to come out of Kruma. I don't blame you people. Me blame you, Santa Fona. Me blame you, I don't blame you people. Rubbish. Minister, here Dr. Frank Amakone, Ashanti Regional Minister. Mate say